Hey everybody, this is Jason at Extendasuites Phoenix, and I wanted to give everybody a quick video update. We are at 90% for the month of December, and occupancy that is. And I have come into town real quick to check on everybody, look at the hotels, and have a little fun with the employees, because our team is really what's made this property just amazing. And obviously I walk in, and we are now having a Christmas party. So here's what we're doing. We're having like a Christmas potluck. We have all kinds of food over here. We have a wonderful team in here. Hey, what do you guys want to say about Extendasuites Phoenix right now? This is the team.
It's the best.
It's the best. Love it. Why should people stay at this hotel versus other hotels?
Because we're family friendly, you know, we're like more, family oriented. We're the place to come.
That's it. Anybody else?
All of us are freaking awesome.
What was that? Wait, say that again?
Because all of us are freaking awesome.
Okay, that's the main reason why people should come stay at Extendasuites Phoenix, right?
Slam place, and we keep our pool clean.
Oh, there you go.
Right there.
That's it. So we're getting all these fantastic business points across to all of you out there. So more reason why you should come stay at Extendasuites Phoenix. It's a big family. All right, we'll let everybody go. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you at the next hotel.